What's up, guys? Welcome back. If you've stopped by before, or otherwise first time, welcome. Today we're going to try to optimize a quick home workout, chest and arms. This is just going to be the chest routine, but I'm kind of time crunched here. Got some plans with my little kid, so for anyone that's looking for a quick pump, let's get into it right away. We're going to start with this exercise ball and dumbbell presses. Hopefully it'll support my weight. Exercise ball is going to facilitate a deep stretch on these presses, while being able to be comfortable on the shoulders with the stretch. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, it felt good first set. We're gonna do short breaks today. We'll see you in about maybe a minute at the most. All right, we are getting into set two. I'm using adjustable dumbbells. These work just as well. You can use resistance bands from either top or bottom anchor. Either way. I just haven't done dumbbell presses in a while, so figured throw these in. Nine, 10, 11. Wow, those are tough. All right, 30 seconds to a minute. See you back. I saw my kid in the background peeking out too. If you saw him, say hello. Getting into set three, I did drop the weight. With these ultra short breaks in between, I am fatiguing quicker. Yeah, this is pretty light instead of changing it out again and going a little bit heavier. Just gonna do a few more reps. $13. 15, 16, 17. Wow, honestly, I'm feeling it a lot. Yesterday's shoulder workout was kind of killer, kind of sore today. That's where I'm more so failing right now. Anyways, 30 seconds to a minute. We'll see you for the last set. Getting into the last set. These dumbbell presses with the exercise band. Gonna bust out this last set. Do a ton of reps. $15. Because I never try to add, or I'm not trying to add size. Content with where I am. Trying to stay healthy, maintain. Whew, that's it for set four. Anyways, a couple things I was researching. To maintain muscle, you only need to do literally 1/9 of your typical routine for maintenance. You hit it hard and about 15% of what you normally do, and you'll be able to maintain what you have. If you do want to make gains, you do it more consistently. Anyways, we're going to get into the next exercise as soon as I figure out what it is and get it set up. All right, next exercise I'm going to do, I got these resistance bands with this overhead anchor and a Pilates bar connected to the end. I'm going to do this last chest exercise or chest routine I did at home. I did these and they work great. So easy to set up. I'm in a time crunch. I'm going to do them again. I'm going to superset these with a modified TRX band push-up that I haven't done before. Nine, 10, 11. With this, I'm really concentrating on the mind-muscle connection as much as I can because it is difficult to stabilize this bar. So I'm focusing on my chest and I'm actually getting a good squeeze, as wonky as it does look. All right. I'm gonna grab these TRX bands. Well, I'm gonna have to change this out real quick. Thank God these are easy to set up. So I said I usually superset some form of these push-ups with at least one chest exercise, like 4 sets of 25. For the stretch, keep the blood flowing. Not even counting here, so I'm going to guesstimate about 25. All right, got to get this chest set up, do set 2. All right, getting right into set 2. I did lower the weight a little bit because of these short rest breaks and superset. I feel like I can control this weight much better. I think I dropped it maybe 20 pounds of resistance bands. All right, get these disconnected. Whew. Man, I don't know if you could see the thermostat in the back. Got the heat bumped up to 76 or 77. I am starting to sweat. 2, 3. Now, if you do have bands and you're kind of following along, you can do pretty much anything with these TRX bands. You want to do flies. Actually, these way better and tougher. Wasn't even counting. See you in about a minute. Getting right into set 3. Keeping the same weight, which felt good. Whew. Same as before, I'm concentrating on that mind-muscle connection, focusing on my chest. Squeeze. 4, 5, 7, whoa, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. Well, sorry, that was tough. Not much talking during that. Oh, I'm getting tired. 13, 14, 16, 18. I don't know how to speed up these clips, but I should be speeding up these push-ups. Well, see you in another minute or so. Getting tired. All right, fourth and last set. I'll tell you what, my chest is definitely feels like it's got to work out already. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The way I get away with just 2 exercises, I do this routine, chest and arms twice a week, do back, shoulders, traps twice a week, less sets, quicker recovery, more time efficient workouts. Three more. 1, 2, 3. One more set of TRX push-ups. Well, that's going to wrap up chest for today. Quick, efficient at home. Got this done in realistically more like 20 minutes, but I'm changing some things around. You can get it done at home in your place in 15 minutes easily. 20 minutes if you're going a little bit slower. Anyways, going to set up for buys and tries today. Interested? Tune into that video. I'll have it uploaded later today as well. And I'm going to pull out a secret for that, something I haven't used in quite a while. And it's going to destroy your arms. But thanks for stopping by. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, comment if you want, subscribe if you like, and we'll see you on the next one.